Hi students, in our last class I conducted a test. You all have written your test very well. Now I start the class. Page number 7. In our last class I explained that the definition of for and near and the two examples. What is meant by for means the long distance, near means a short distance. That's all, ma. Now try this. Who will win the race? Why? Look at this picture, ma. Yes, the rabbit and tortoise. The story of the rabbit and tortoise. I think you all know the story very well. Now look at here, ma. Who will win the race? Why? There is asking a question. Who will win the race and why? Now you already know the story very well, but it's okay. I once again say the story. Okay, mama? Okay, the story of rabbit and the tortoise. Once upon a time, there was a speedy rabbit who bared about, who first he could run. And suddenly, the rabbit saw the tortoise walking slowly with the heavy shell on his back. And the rabbit laughed at the tortoise, and finally he discussed about the race. The rabbit asked to tortoise, "Shall we race?" And then the tortoise replied, "Okay." After that, all the animals in a forest gathered to watch the race begin. Then finally, the race began. The rabbit became such a swift runner, but tortoise walked very slowly. Then after, the rabbit looked at the back at the tortoise and cried out. The rabbit said, how much he expected to win when he walks very slow. The rabbit finally decided that he had many times to take a little rest, and he slept under the tree. Meanwhile, the tortoise walked and walked. He never stopped walking. He continuously walked. Finally, the tortoise come to finish line. The animals who were watching cheer up. So lonely for tortoise. After that, the rabbit waked up. Rabbit thought that time's to get going, and he ran very faster, but he can't to touch the finishing line. At the end, you say, ma, who will win the race? I think you are know very well. Yes, you are right. The tortoise will win the race. The story narrates the moral. The slow and steady win the race. Narrates the moral what, ma? Slow and steady win the race. Okay, mama? In our book, asking the what question? Who will win the race? That like asking no. Who, ma? Yes, the tortoise win the race. Because of his hard work. Okay. Okay, then our next topic is big, small. Big, small. First I say the meaning for this big and small. First big. What is mean by big, ma? Big means large in size. Large in size. Small means little. It is opposite to big. So small means little. Very small object. That means what? Little object. Now look here, ma. I am keeping two types of balls. Two types of balls. Now which is big and which is small, ma? Yes. Look at this first ball. This is very large in size. Isn't it, ma? Now I am not able to hold this ball in our hand. In my hand, no. But look at this second ball. This is very little. I am able to hold in my hand. Okay, va? So this is big. This is small. Likewise, learn. Look at this picture. Yes, the picture of under the sea. There are two types of fishes are there. Isn't it, ma? Two types of fish are there. So, now we want to identify which fish is big and which fish is small. Say, ma. Yes, you are right. The first fish is big. The second fish is small. Okay. Then practice. They are asking a question. Take the bigger one. Bigger. What does mean by bigger, ma? Yes, large in size. Now look at this two picture. The red color box and violet color box. No, which is big, ma? Which is very large in size? Yes, you are right. The second one only what? Large in size. Compared to that first one, the second one only what? Very larger. That means very big. So we want to tick here. Now, the second question. Tick the smaller fruit. Tick the smaller fruit. Yes. What is the first fruit? Yes, jackfruit. And what about the second fruit? What is this? Yes, orange. Now we want to identify the smaller fruit. What does mean by smaller? Yes, little. Little. That means not large in size. Which is very small, ma? First one, that means jackfruit or orange, which is very smaller. Yes, you are right. The orange is only what? Very smaller. Now we want to tick here. Okay, Mama? Okay, next. Pleasure time. Here giving one activity for coloring. Color the big cake with brown and the small cake with blue. Wow, they are giving two types of cake. Do you like the cake, ma? Yes, I like very much. Okay, now look at this. Big cake. We want to give the color for the two cakes, ma, but different colors because one is big, one is small, no. So color the big cake with brown. Which is big, ma? This first one or second one, which is big cake? That means which is very large in size. Yes, the first one is big. So we want to give the brown color for this. Brown color for this cake. Then this is big means this is what? Yes, small. So small cake with blue. So we give the blue color for this cake. Okay, Mama? I think you all understand this topic. Okay? Okay, then our next topic is shapes. What, ma? Shapes. They are giving keywords. Round, flat, corner, edge. I say once again. Round, flat, corner and edge. First I say meaning for this 4 words. First, what does mean by round, ma? The round means having the shape of circle. Having the shape of circle. The which object have the shape of circle, that is called round. Okay, then what does mean by flat? The flat is opposite to round. Okay, mama? Now look at here, ma. Bukka. This is a shape of circle. No. So this is what? This is flat. This is not curved. This is not able to roll. Okay. Now look here, ma. I'm keeping one ball and one note. Okay, mama? I'm saying example for round and flat. First, ball. Ball is example of round, no? So, I'm keeping the ball on the table and I pushed. Yes, this is what? This is rolling, no? So this is a round. The which objects is able to roll, that is a round in shape. Okay va? Then what about the note? I am same like that, I am pushing. This is rolling, no, this is not able to roll. So this is a flat. This is an example of flat, and this is an example of round. Which object is able to roll, that is an example of round, and which object is can't able to roll, that is a flat object. Okay Vama? Now learn. They are giving some example. Yes, I already said no. Ball, note. I already say this example. I once again say that. Now, next. Slide. What is this? Slide and orange. Look at this. This two is what? Same in size. That means same shapes. Isn't it, ma? This is also circle. This is also what? Circle in shape. And what about this? This is box. This is in a shape of box. And same like that. This is also shape of box. So the ball is able to roll. So this is a ball is round. Same like that. This is also what? Circle in shape. So orange also is able to roll. So orange is also what? Round in shape. Now book. The book is can't roll, no. So this is flat. Same like that. The slate also flat. Now practice. They are giving some activities for you. So take the following object as round or flat. They are giving two objects, ma. The first one is what? Yes, watermelon. The second one is, yes, I think remote. Yes, remote. Now we want to identify which object is round and which object is flat. Okay, Vama? Now the first one is what? Watermelon. The watermelon is flat, round or flat. What, ma? Which shape? Yes, round, because this is what? Circle in shape. So we want to tick here. Okay. Okay, ma? Now the remote. The remote is shape of box. That means what? Rectangle, no. So this is not able to roll. So this is flat. So we want to tick here. Okay, Vama? I think you all are understand this topic. Okay, the next one is corner and edge. Corner, edge. Now, look at this picture. He pointed that this is the corner. This is the corner. Now, what does mean by corner means? Lines, the two different lines, that meeting point, that means the meeting place is a what? Corner. The two different line meeting place is corner. Same like that. Here also see 1 and 2. Two different line meeting point. So this one also what? Corner. Now same like that. 1, 2. The two different lines are meeting in this point, no. So this also what? Corner. Same like that. 1, 2. The 2 points are meeting here, no. So this point is corner. Okay, Mama. The two different lines are meeting place, that is called corner. Okay, Va? Now edge. Same like that. He pointed that this is the edge. Now I am saying meaning for that. That means what? Border at the shape. Border at the shape or end of the shape. Okay, Mama. This is a end, no. So this is one end. This is one end. This is one end, and this is also one end. Okay, Mama. Understand that? That means end of the surface. End of the surface. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This and all edges. Okay, ma? Don't confuse, ma. The two lines meeting point is corner. The lines and all called wall, edge. Okay, va? Now, practice. Practice the color, the shape. Now we want to, color the corner. Now we want to give the color for corner. What is the corner, ma? What is the corner? Yes. This is the corner, no? So we want to color here. We want to color the corner of this picture. Which is the corner? Yes, this and this and this and this. So we want to color here. Any color. Okay, mama? Okay, now trace the edge. Here giving what? A dotted lines, no? Dotted lines, isn't it, ma? So we want to trace the edge. Okay, ma, just draw the line, join this dotted line. Just join this dotted dots. That's all. Okay, ma? Fully we want to trace. Okay. Think like a mathematician. Okay. They are asking one question. Do round objects have corner? Do round objects have corner? Okay, ba? That means rounded object. What is a rounded object? Take one example, ma. Yes. What, ma? Yes. I am taking ball. This is a round object, no? Okay. So, this object have the corner, ah? What does mean by corner? Yes. The two lines meeting point. Isn't it, ma? In this ball, there are having any lines? No. This is what? Just what? Just one round in shape. There is no corner and there is no edge. So, the round object have no corner. What is the answer, ma? No. What, ma? No corner. Okay, ma? Now, the next question. Are there any objects that are both round and flat? They are asking, that one objects, ma, having both. The objects want to have both round and flat. Is that possible? Is it any possible for that? No. So, round object have no able to. Is there no more possibilities of any objects that are both round and flat? There is no any possibilities. So your answer is no. Okay. That's all. Your first lesson is completed. Okay, mama. In our next class, I started the new topic. That means new unit numbers. Okay, mama.